Have an adult help you with this. Let's make paint swirl holiday ornaments with our favorite friends from Chip and Potato.
Hi, I'm Chip, and this is my potato snuggly.
Let's make an ornament with Chip.
Hugs and kisses.
Chip wants an ornament with light green paint and hot pink paint. Let's start with green. Which cup has light green paint? No, that's red. Yes, that cup has light green paint.
Puggy perfect.
Now, let's add hot pink. Do you see the hot pink paint? No, that's blue. Yes, that cup has hot pink paint. You got it. Let's pour these colors on the outside of the ornament. Now, let's pour. Don't forget to add the top back on after the paint dries. Now let's add Chip.
That was so much fun.
Let's make an ornament with Potato. Potato wants an ornament with hot pink, yellow, and light pink paint. Let's start with hot pink. Do you see the hot pink paint? Yes, that cup has hot pink paint. Let's add yellow paint to Potato's ornament. Which one of these cups has yellow paint? Yes, that's yellow. Now let's add light pink paint to Potato's ornament. Do you see the light pink paint? Yes, that cup has light pink paint. Let's pour these colors inside the ornament. Don't forget to add the top on once the paint dries. Now let's add Potato.
Let's go, Potato.
Now let's make an ornament with Mama. Mama would like an ornament with red, light pink, and hot pink. Let's start with light pink paint. Do you see the light pink paint? Yes, that cup has light pink paint. Now let's add red paint to Mama's ornament. Which one of these cups has red paint? Yes, that's red. Good job. Let's add hot pink paint to Mama's ornament. Do you see the hot pink paint? Yes, that cup has hot pink paint. Let's pour these colors on the outside of the ornament. Now let's add Mama. Now let's make an ornament with Papa. Papa would like an ornament with blue and pink. Let's start with blue. Which one of these cups has blue paint? Yes, that's blue. Good job. Let's add hot pink paint to Papa's ornament. Do you see the hot pink paint? Yes, that cup has hot pink paint. Time to pour the paint on the outside of the ornament. Now let's add Papa. Spud wants an ornament with light blue and red paint. Let's start with light blue. Which one of these cups has light blue paint? Yes, that's right. Now let's add red paint to Spud's ornament. Do you see the red paint? Yes, that's it. It's time to pour. Don't forget to add the top back on after the paint dries. Let's put Spud on his ornament. Let's make an ornament for Nico Panda. Nico wants an ornament with blue and light blue paint. Let's start with blue. Which one of these cups has blue paint? Yes, you got it. That cup has blue paint. Now, let's add the light blue paint to Nico Panda's ornament. Here's the light blue. Let's add Nico Panda.
Happy Hi, Puggy Panda Best Buddy.
Let's make an ornament with Armando Armadillo. Armando Armadillo wants an ornament with green and yellow paint. Let's start with green. Which one of these cups has green paint? Yes, you got it. That cup has green paint. Let's add some yellow paint to Armando Armadillo's ornament. Do you see the yellow paint? That's right. That is the yellow paint. This time we're pouring the paint inside the ornament. Now let's add Armando Armadillo. It's so fun to decorate. Happy holidays!
Sparkly clean.